Hi guys. Today I'm coming to you with a completely different project. I am part of the Christmas in July project collaboration that's being hosted by Sweet Pea Papers and Lisa's Paper, Lace, and Bling. So there are quite a few people in this collaboration, and there is a complete list below, I think. I have a complete list, but I will get one if I don't have one and post it. This is obviously Christmas in July, so we're doing Christmas projects. And this one is a different project or a different video every once a week. So I have to post at least one video a week. So there will be at least 4 videos during the month of July. And I am, I've decided that I'm going to make my daily, my December daily now. So I will have it, it'll be all ready and it'll be done. And I don't have to worry about it like the last day of November, which is, you know, what happens, right? So I have a few things here that I'm going to go through. So this is not really my first video of the thing, because this is kind of more of an intro video. And then I will post another video in a couple of days once I kind of get everything cut and prepared, because you don't want to watch cutting. It's like watching, you know, like paint dry. So I'm going to make a traveler's journal. So a traveler's journal is 4 1/4 by 8 1/4. So I have a few things here. So I have this piece of I don't know what it came, I think it's from either Silhouette or Cricut. I can't remember which one. And it is a kind of like a piece of, I don't know, pleather, fake leather. But I like it because it's red, and I thought it would make a really cool cover. So, but it's pretty flimsy. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as my base for my journal. So this is, so the length of it obviously is a little more than 11.5, because it holds an 11.5 by or 11, 8.5 by 11 paper. So this is 11 5/8 by 8, a little over 8 5/8. So I think what I was gonna do, because it's 8 1/4, so I think what I was gonna do is actually fold it this way and cut it here. So I still have the tab, because the tab is from the end until the tab, it's almost 4. So 4 1/4 is right there. So you'd kind of have this tab at the very top, and maybe the top back. So I'd have to flip this around, flip it around this way. So that would be at the back, and then, or maybe not. Let me think. I'm confused myself. Yeah, because this would be at the front. I don't want that at the front. I don't know. This is part of my thought process, and I don't think you guys want to get into my brain and my thought process either, believe me. So so I need to kind of think about that. I might have to find one. Maybe I need the tab on this side instead of this side. So maybe I'll pull out a different one. But I think what I'm going to do is cut it down so it's 4 1/2, and this would be it's a little taller. It's, like I said, instead of 8 1/4, it'd be 8 5/8. And I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna, you know, a few 1/8 of an inch is not gonna kill me. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do it there, and then I would cut this off. And then you'd have pockets back here, or side pockets too, for the cover, and then cover it in this. So this would be the cover for it. So this would be the cover. like this. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then as far as paper goes, I have a few different things. So I have these numbers, which are from my porch prints. So these are just advent numbers, and they only go from 1 to 25 because it's obviously for an advent calendar. And I realized when I printed this, it kind of cut the tops off. And not that I'm that worried about it, because I could kind of fix them. And when she ink them, probably be okay. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or not now that I realize it's only till 25. So I'll think about it. I might have to maybe make my own or do something else. So we'll think about that. I also have, so this was a freebie from my porch prints, which I really like, this little booklet. A little kind of mini journal kind of thing. So we'll think about that. And then I also have, and this also printed all wonky on my printer, but this is also for my porch print. So let me start here, because what I have is I have this paper kit, and I've had it for like ever. I've had it for a long time. It is from Ruby Rocket. I do not speak French, so Joyo, I don't know how to say that because I took German in high school. So it's 12 sheets. So there's 6 double-sided designs. So there's 2 of each. So there's basically 12 designs. So I like this paper, and I've never used it. I've been thinking about how to use it for a long time. So this is back from my scrapbooking days. But I really like it. Got these little cards and these little borders, which are kind of cute. But it's kind of teal and red. It's got some pink in it. And oops, sorry, hit the camera. Sorry. And this one, and that's the back. So I thought this would be a good chance to use this. It's you know, large because it's 12 by 12. So I could you know, definitely cut the pages out of here. So we'll see. And it's not thick. It's pretty lightweight paper, so it would make nice pages inside. So there's that. And then I have this, so I have this kit from my porch prints, and it's got a lot of pink and teal in it too. And I'm not sure I like the total pink. Like, I don't want to go totally pink Christmas, but you know, like I do kind of like this little thing, and I think it goes really well with some of the colors in this. Like, let me pull this over. So, you know, it kind of goes well with some of the things in here. So I do like that. Some of the pink things, I'm not sure if I would use all of them or not. I don't know if I'm really going to use butterflies in a Christmas album, but you never know. And some of these tags too, I thought were really cute. That would go really well with this. So I liked those, and some of these things over here, these little, I'll have to reprint this so I get these at the bottom. And then I found a bunch, and I'll have to list in the notes section below where I got these, because I think I got them from 2 different Etsy shops. But these are French postcards, and because this is French, I thought these would go really well. And they're a lot of them are kind of the same colors, so they would go really well with this too. So they'll make really cute journaling cards. And so I printed them, and then on the back, they're white on the back, but I can just cover them with, you know, coffee dyed paper or something. So there's quite a few of them, and I think I've actually double printed some of them. Oh, these are Dust to Roses. Postal Love French Christmas cards. So there are a few of these that would work also. Sorry, this is upside down. So I think a lot of them are really pretty and would work really well. Like, I love that one, so cute. This one I love too. Again, I think I've double printed these, so you might see a few duplicates here as I run through them. I have all of these. Okay, and then I have this paper, and I can't remember where I got these either, but I will link all these in the thing. So what I did was I found this, and I want to say this is Shabby Dabby Doodah, but I'm not 100% sure. But I will post that in there. So I have this coffee dyed kind of lace paper, which I thought was really cool for this. And then I backed it, this is the back actually, on some other paper. So this is the Shabby Dabby, this is the My Porch Prints paper, this one, which again, I'm not sure I like necessarily because it's super pink, but so I don't know if I will use all of these. I'm not sure I will use all of these. I hope that was still, my thing just told me I had low battery, and I don't know if I was recording this whole time, but I'll see. But I do like this one. I think that will go, this one will go really well. This one too. And then I also found this music paper. So there's 3 sheets that have green lyrics, which I think will go with this too. And then 3 of them, if I can get them, and they're all backed. I backed them all in this paper. 3 that have red. Oh, another green one, sorry. So maybe there are 4 greens and 2 reds, I'm not sure. And then I have some more of this that's just this ledger paper, graph paper, notebook paper, just regular coffee dyed and another regular coffee dyed. And then these printed, yeah, I didn't print anything on the backs of these, so there's this one, and this is one of the pages from here, but there's nothing on the back of it from the My Porch Prints, which I do actually love this one and think this one would work really well with this kit. So that's the paper I'm going to use. That's the stuff I'm going to use. So we're just going to make our December daily during the next 4 weeks. So definitely look for those videos, and we can get started soon.